Hey guys, Josh here and welcome to the Tube Charge demo. In this video, I'm going to show you how we've completely changed the way you rank and market your videos forever. We have figured out a new way of ranking videos that's faster, better, and more efficient than any other method out there. With Tube Charge, you'll be able to automatically claim dozens upon dozens of page 1 rankings simultaneously in 48 hours or less with mass video creation, mass video uploading, and automatic video optimization. Instead of trying to rank videos one by one, we're out there ranking dozens upon dozens of videos at a time. Yup, I'm talking about claiming page 1 video rankings in bulk. And I know that sounds a bit crazy, but that's exactly what we're doing. And the best part is that we've nearly automated the entire process. And today, you too will be able to get your hands on Tube Charge and do exactly the same thing for your business. And you'll be able to use Tube Charge to get bulk affiliate marketing campaigns ranked, get bulk local videos ranked, get bulk e-commerce video rankings, get bulk video rankings to build massive email lists, and everything in between. If you're wanting to dominate the first page of Google and YouTube the new way and doing it in bulk, then you're on the right page. Let me show you how it works. Alright guys, so step number 1 is to log into Tube Charge and connect your YouTube channel. I've already gone ahead and done that. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn one of my videos into dozens of variations of that video with our powerful video spinner, okay? And I've already got a video chosen in here for the purpose of this demo video. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and choose for Tube Charge to turn it into 15 different variations, okay? And the spinner range is where you're going to want to choose between 300 and 500 so that Tube Charge knows just how much to change the video so that it flies under the radar with YouTube's duplicate content filter, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just choose 400 for the purpose of this video. You don't even really need to know what this is for. Just know that it needs to be a number between 300 and 500 for the spinner to work properly and be able to upload different variations of your video onto YouTube. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you just hit generate, and now Tube Charge is going to create 15 different versions of this one video. Okay, and it's not actually going to change the visuals of it, but it's just going to change the range of it or the bit rate of it enough so that it looks unique in the eyes of YouTube. Okay, so within a few minutes here, this is going to turn this one video, which is an accounting video for the purpose of this demo, into 15 different variations. And there we go. Tube Charge has turned that one video into different variations, and now it's asking me to choose where I want to save my new videos, and I'm just going to save it into this folder here. I'm going to click save, and now we are good to go to move on to the next step. Now that I turned one video into 15 different variations and saved it onto my computer, it's time to go on to the next step, which is to go ahead and choose the channel that we want to work on and get this campaign set up. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this account here. I'm going to log into this account, and that's going to take me directly into the setup wizard for this account. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do is to add the title that we want for all of our videos that we just created. Now, the beautiful part about this is that we created a very simple template that you can download and fill out. It takes no more than 2 to 3 minutes to fill that out, and then you just connect it to this campaign. I've already gone ahead and done that, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that file from my computer. All right, and here is the file that I created. I'm going to click open, and you also have the option to put one title here, and then all 15 titles for the videos will be exactly the same. Obviously, the point of Tube Charge is for you to be able to target multiple keywords for multiple different videos and have it all be automated. So filling out our simple title template allows you to ensure that each video that you are uploading has a unique title so that you're targeting a different keyword for each of those videos. So now that I've connected my title to this campaign, I'm going to go ahead and click next. And the next step is to upload the description. The process is the same. We have a simple template that you can download here and connect it to your campaign. So I've already gone ahead and set that up. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that file now. And same thing goes here. You can set one description to be set for all 15 videos. However, of course, like I said before, you want to make sure you can target as many keywords as possible for each of these videos. So we recommend that you just download the template. Again, it takes no more than 2 minutes to fill this out, and then you'll be able to have an optimized unique description for each of your videos. Then we're going to click next, and the same thing with our tags. You can download the template, fill it out, and then go ahead and connect it to your campaign. I've already went ahead and did that. And same thing, you can have the option to use the same tags for all 15 videos, but again, it goes back to being able to target multiple keywords for multiple different videos. Okay, all right, so we're going to go ahead and click next, and now we're going to upload the videos that we spun in step number 2. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and choose all the videos that TubeCharge created for me. Now, one additional step that I did do to these videos is to ensure that the titles match the same that the file name match the titles that I want them to be in, because this helps to boost your rankings as well, to ensure that before you upload a video that your keyword is the file name for that video. So again, that takes just a few minutes to do, and I already had all of the titles from the title template that I filled out. So it took literally just a few minutes to do that, and it gives you a massive boost with your rankings, because you are telling Google that this video is specifically about the keyword that is in its title and its file name as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and click open, and now we have not only spun our videos, we've optimized our videos, and we've uploaded our videos. So now we're going to click next. And here is where we're going to set our upload settings. Okay, so this is pretty much you telling TubeCharge how to handle the uploaded videos that we've just set up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and choose news and politics. We've always done news and politics. We just feel that, Google and YouTube love new information, new content, and news and politics always has kind of that additional power where, news is stuff that is in real time happening right now. So we're going to go ahead and leave that as news and politics. We're going to ensure that all of these videos get uploaded to public. We're going to make sure that we include the title in the description, and you can go ahead and either schedule it for later or have them be uploaded right away. So I'm going to go ahead and just click this on so that you can see that here you can set the time gap between videos to be uploaded. And this is what we like to refer to as our human simulated uploader, because it makes everything look nice and human-like and natural in the eyes of YouTube, and allows you to fly under the radar so that you don't get flagged for the mass uploading filter that YouTube now has. Okay, so we've done a lot of testing, and we have built in a human-like simulator to upload your videos for you based on a nice delay, and we have that 5 video per day system built as well, so that everything looks nice and natural. Okay, and you fly under the radar while being able to do mass video ranking. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that, scheduled for later, and have a time gap of 60 minutes between each upload. Click next, and here I'm gonna go ahead and skip this because this is an additional feature that you can upgrade to, which will allow you to set custom video thumbnails for each of your videos as well. And we have a very powerful offer for you once you get to that upgrade offer, where not only will you be able to unlock this feature to set custom thumbnails for all of your videos, but we've got some pre-made thumbnails for you. We also have our Thumbnail Rocket app that allows you to edit previous videos already on your channel, allows you to edit any new videos if you want to change out the thumbnail, and a few other things as well. So make sure you pay attention to that offer. I'm going to go ahead and skip this for now. And here we have our playlist settings as well. So another thing that TubeCharge does for you is it automatically creates playlists for your videos. Okay, now if you've done any amount of video marketing, then you know that playlists give your rankings a massive boost, and it also boosts the authority of each of your videos as well, because you're creating some nice internal link structure between your playlists and your videos, and you're just creating a nice categorized system within your channel, okay? And all of that just allows you to use YouTube's built-in authority in your favor by using the power of playlists. And the good thing about playlists as well is that they are rankable, okay? Because YouTube does provide you with a public URL for your playlist, and then you can do some additional syndication for that playlist and have that playlist ranking as well. And not only that, any backlinks and syndication that you do to that playlist URL also trickles down to all of the videos that are within that playlist as well. So we have this built in, and you get it as a free bonus for being one of our charter members. So this feature alone is very, very powerful, and we could have easily charged an additional fee for it, but again, you're getting it for free. And we have two options. You can create individual video playlists for all of the 15 videos that I just added to this campaign, or I can create one common playlist. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and create one common playlist for all 15 videos, since all the videos are in the same niche, targeting the same area, okay? And that's one thing I forgot to mention as well. This particular demo campaign that I'm doing is a local campaign. However, you can use TubeCharge for anything, for affiliate marketing campaigns, list building campaigns, e-commerce campaigns, local campaigns, your own products, whatever it may be. If you're looking to get traffic from Google, you can use TubeCharge to make that happen, okay? So here I'm going to go ahead and optimize this playlist. So I'm going to go ahead and do the best accounting service in Miami, Florida. Okay. Now my videos are individually targeting different zip codes in my area. I'm gonna make the playlist be kind of the main category, okay? So the playlist is gonna target all of Miami, and then each individual video within that playlist is targeting a different zip code in Miami, okay? So if you guys just see how that works, I'm building one main playlist that's kind of the main category, and then each individual category. So I'm pretty much giving YouTube and Google what they want, a nice organized playlist that tells them all of this content is relevant to this one playlist, and each individual video is perfectly optimized to fit within this playlist, okay? I'm gonna make sure that I untick this, and I'm gonna put the same tag here. I'm gonna uncheck this so that this playlist is public. Again, that will allow me to do syndication to this playlist URL and get even more authority. Now, another feature that we have built in here that you'll be able to unlock as one of our upgrade offers is for TubeCharge to automatically silo your playlist and all of your videos, okay? So this takes your optimization to the next level, okay? And it really supercharges all of the rankings and all of the authority, and it really boosts everything overall, because now you're building an additional silo structure with the playlist and the videos, okay? So just how Google loves for you to build silo structures on your website, we are using that exact logic but with our videos, okay? So to do that, all you have to do is click this one box to activate our automatic silo function, and from there we click next, and you're gonna see an overview of all of your entire campaign. We're gonna come here to the bottom, click upload now, and now TubeCharge is gonna get to work and not only upload and optimize automatically 15 videos for me without me having to do anything else but just go through this simple process of connecting my videos to my titles, to my description, to my tags, and then setting the upload settings and the playlist settings, and that's it, okay? It's literally that easy. And from here, again, TubeCharge is just gonna do all of the work for me, and it's gonna automatically upload and optimize all of these videos without me having to do anything else from this point forward. And I'll be able to do this over and over and over again for all of the niches and keywords that I want, and just have TubeCharge handling everything in the background for me and constantly ensuring that it's uploading and optimizing videos to all of my channels every single day. Okay, so if you want to put the power of TubeCharge into your business, make sure you check out the offer that we have right below this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the members area. And here you can see that TubeCharge has now successfully scheduled all of these videos to be uploaded to my TubeCharge account every single day. Okay, so I just wanted to show this final screen to you to show you that all 15 videos were successfully scheduled to be uploaded to my account. So that's it. Go ahead and check out this special offer right below this video.